How to transfer money from Truist to Bank of America. To transfer money from Truist to Bank of America, you can use several methods, depending on your preferences and the speed of the transfer. Here's how to do it. Go to Truist's website or use the Truist mobile app. Navigate to the Transfer and Pay section. Select Add External Account. Enter your Bank of America account details, account number and routing number. Verify the account using the microdeposit process if required. Once the external account is added and verified, go to Transfers. Select your Truist account as the from account and your Bank of America account as the to account. Enter the amount and schedule the transfer. Review the details and confirm the transfer. Transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days. Thanks for watching.